Hello everyone, and I show how to make a Lego puzzle box. It looks like this. It is really simple, yeah. First you take away one by one fly. And then you get a little white paper. This little white paper. First you need this one by one and one by one fly. And then this you just rip it paper little bit, and you get like this and like this. And you make this. Then one by one, put it right on whole thing here. And then one by one flat, put it right here. Yeah, and this, I'm sorry, goes like this. I'm not show you how to make it. I just show you how it works. Yeah, wait. Yeah, and then you just do like that, and then wait, like this, and then it's like, you can't do like slide, but you just do take it out like this. Oh, like this, and do it like this, and then you get this pop. Yeah, and just put it here. Like slide. Yeah, so wait. Treasure. Where's treasure? Oh, there. Yeah, it looks like this. It looks like this. And then you just slide it this. And then slide. Slide this, and then slide this like this. Slide this, and then you get a treasure right here.